Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen, and DJ Daffy. 10 stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Shillong. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627-83292 and 98628-23900.
Don't miss it.
Members of the Meghalaya chapter of the National Students Union of India (NSUI) had announced on the 2nd of December 2021 the en masse resignation from the Students' Union and their membership from the Indian National Congress by citing various problems faced by members after the appointment of the new Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent H. Pala. President of the Union, Bansharailang Pangrop, while speaking to reporters, informed that the aspirations of members who had joined the NSUI, a students' body of the Indian National Congress, were because of the party's secular ideology and also the quality of its leaders. However, with the appointment of the new PCC President Vincent H. Pala in the state, there has been a lot of commotion and rumblings that have resulted in differences between members of the Congress party, wherein many dedicated party workers were being sidelined from time to time, alleged Bansharailang Pangrop. He added that the MPCC chief has been creating communal differences amongst the three tribes of Meghalaya who were once a united and strong force.
The reason why we're here today is that to show that we, the National Students Union of India in Meghalaya, we have resigned and we have unanimously resigned from NSUI, and NSUI is no longer present in Meghalaya. Our aspirations and ambitions by joining NSUI, the two common factors were that we believed in the Congress ideology, which is secular, democratic, respected every person's dignity, and that is one reason we joined NSUI. And number two was for its leaders. The quality of leaders in the Congress party are the types of leaders who will lead the state and the future, lead the state to a brighter future. And because at that time, most of us were in our final year, so we were about to jump into searching for jobs. And we knew that employment was a big hassle. So we spoke there at length and we decided that these are the two reasons why we joined Congress Party: for its secular nature and because the Congress Party has leaders who will bring employment and development to the state. My family is full of Congress supporters. We've been supporting Congress since forever. And it was then only that my family also told me, enough, you don't have to work for this Congress Party anymore. They don't respect. They respect a person according to the person's bank account. We see with this new PCC president and the working president how they are dividing our community, dividing it along the lines of Khasi, Garo, Jaintia. We did not join NSUI to stand for that kind of rhetoric. Because we joined NSUI because it respects the dignity of every person. So we really were disheartened when we hear all these things coming from the mouths of our leaders. And the only person who even called us after the 12 MAs left was Ba Mohendro Rapsang. He called us, advised us to stay in the party, that we'll always work together because he's always with us. He's been always with us. And with all due respect, we told him, sir, we cannot work with the current PCC president. When we look at the state of affairs of Meghalaya at the moment, we can see that Meghalaya is ranked the lowest or the poorest state in Northeast. We are very high in dropout rates, very low in literacy rate. There is ever increasing number of HIV cases, drug abuse is the menace of society. So many families are suffering from drug abuse. These are the real issues that we, the young people, stand our ground upon. These are the real issues. Forget Khasi Garo.
Following the first Congress Legislature Party meeting under the leadership of new CLP leader Amprin Lingdo, a press briefing was held in the city on 2nd December to inform about the latest developments that have been taking place in the past few days within the Congress Party. Addressing newsperson, CLP leader Amprin Lingdo stated that the MPCC had to petition to the parent body of the NSUI for the dissolution of the NSUI Meghalaya chapter due to many reasons and not out of any antagonistic intentions. The decision was taken after the MPCC thought it fit to do so in order to prevent further disintegration of the party after the recent defection of the party's 12 MLAs.
When we saw that this large group of MLAs were anyways leaving the party, we have at that point of time thought it fit to check and balance further disintegration of the party, and hence on the 27th we decided that we would petition to the parent body of the NSUI the need for the dissolution or the dissolving of the state NSUI because of various reasons. We recognize the efforts put in by the NSUI team in strengthening the party in the state in general. However, the need to dissolve the NSUI of the state of Meghalaya became a crucial agenda for us because several of those members may or may not want to also exit the party and join the defecting group. We believe that in our decision to dissolve the NSUI, the intention of the Congress Party was not to antagonize members who will remain constant with the party, but that would have given us an opportunity to request the parent body of the NSUI to restructure and reform the NSUI chapter of the state of Meghalaya.